Have you ever felt an emptiness inside you, even when your life looked perfectly fine from the outside? What if that feeling wasn't about what you lacked, but what you thought others had? Envy is silent. It hides in comparison, in jealousy, in the quiet moments when someone else's success makes your own life feel smaller. This is the story of a young man named Eshan, and how one painful truth about envy changed the way he saw worth, success, and himself forever. In a small town surrounded by emerald hills lived Eshan, a kind-hearted young man with talent, ambition, and a gentle spirit. But beneath the surface, he carried a shadow. The shadow of comparison. Every morning he scrolled through social media, watching people his age traveling the world, buying cars, getting promotions, living what looked like perfect lives. And with every scroll, his heart sank a little deeper. "Why not me?" he whispered. "What do they have that I don't?" The more he compared, the emptier he felt, as if his own life was shrinking next to the highlight reels of others. One afternoon, frustrated and drained, Eshan wandered into the forest behind his house. Tall trees danced softly in the wind, birds sang without comparison, each content in its own melody. There, by an old oak tree, sat a wise wanderer, an old man with silver hair and eyes that saw more than the world ever would. "You seem troubled," the elder said calmly. Eshan sighed. "I feel less. Everyone is ahead of me. Everyone is living a better life." The old man smiled. "Envy is a quiet thief. Let me show you what it truly steals." He handed Eshan a small mirror. "Look at yourself," he said. Eshan looked, but the mirror clouded, showing distorted shapes. "This mirror," the elder explained, "shows how envy warps your reflection. When you compare yourself to others, you stop seeing who you truly are." The mirror slowly cleared, revealing Eshan's real face. Tired, yes, but filled with potential. Next, the old man placed 3 stones in Eshan's hands: comparison, jealousy, and self-doubt. "Climb that small hill." Eshan tried, but halfway up, the weight pulled him down. "Notice," the elder said, "none of these stones belong to you, yet you carry them every day. How far can you go with burdens that aren't yours to begin with?" Eshan dropped the stones. His hands felt light. His heart felt lighter. Finally, the elder placed a single glowing seed in his palm. "This seed," he said, "is your true worth. Plant it." Eshan buried it softly in the soil. "Will it grow?" he asked. "When you water it with gratitude," the elder replied, "and shield it from comparison." A soft green sprout pushed through the soil, delicate but alive. And Eshan finally understood. Others' success had never stolen his. He had simply forgotten his own value. As sunset brushed the sky with gold, the elder spoke one last time. "Behind every perfect life you see is a story you don't know. Envy blinds you to your blessings, but gratitude opens your eyes to the life already blooming within you." Eshan walked home, lighter, clearer, finally free. Dear listener, envy steals joy, peace, and purpose. Don't let someone else's chapter make you doubt your own. You carry a worth that no comparison can take away. So breathe, appreciate what's already yours, and walk your path with gratitude. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Lesson Chapters for more peaceful, powerful, life-changing stories.